Hi everyone, just a quick video to announce the new channel membership that's been set up on my YouTube channel. And this stuff's going around everywhere, so I thought, might as well have a go at this as well. And if you're interested, just a quick couple of things that you'll get from it. Obviously there's loyalty badges, there's custom emojis, which I've already uploaded, things like throw your synth at the screen, synth lords and things like that. It's going to be fun. And there's also member-only perks. For example, there'll be early access to new videos, member shoutouts, photos and status updates, exclusive member-only videos, and also I've ranked these members LFO, VCF, and VCO to keep it real synth geeky. Also, just a quick notification too about my weekly live stream. It's now going to be permanently called Synth Geekery, and we will be rebranding the logo and the stingers and all that sort of stuff now to show that. It'll still be on the Ramsey channel, but Synth Geekery will be the name for that. So if you're interested in becoming part of the Synth Geekery show, the VCO membership will give you moderator access on live streams, plus there'll be member-only live streams as well. So we'll see how that particular part goes, but you're also welcome to be a video guest on the show as well. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next show.